Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you are across the world. I welcome you to LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the coins to buy. Now, you need to buy these cryptos now. You need to buy these cryptos now. So which cryptocurrency am I referring to? How many of your cryptocurrency am I referring to? So this is a top secret that I'm about to share with you tonight, because this particular coin, it can rise and give you close to times 10 of what you plan to invest therein. So it has been predicted by crypto analysts that is going to rise in price, rapid rise in price, a tremendous one that can give you close to times 10 of what you choose to invest therein. So this is an opportunity that I'm bringing to your doorstep now, which you can't afford to miss. You need to buy these cryptos now. So which currency am I talking about? Which cryptos am I talking about? And how many of them am I talking about? It will be explained in details in today's video. But before I do that, I welcome you to this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK channel, and in this channel you are getting financial education. So I'm giving to you financial education at your doorstep. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware and notified whenever I upload new video, whenever I upload new training video and educative video like this, so that you are not going to miss out. Okay. And if you have any questions concerning this video or any of the videos on this channel, you can contact me through my email, my phone number, or my WhatsApp contact. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as frequent educational content on how to make money online will be dropped in the channel for you to explore. Okay, and don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and family if you found it to be very, very meaningful to you at the end. All right, once again, I welcome you to LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So, and we are considering the coins to buy now. So you need to buy this coin now. So which coins am I referring to? So let's go to the coin cryptocurrency market capitalization to know which coin am I referring to. Okay, welcome to the coin cap market, that is coin market capitalization. So this is a site whereby all the cryptocurrency, that is the major ones, we are listed. We have more than 1,000 cryptocurrency, but you can get them here. There are some cryptocurrency that are not listed on the coin market cap yet, but you can get them in some of the big cryptocurrency exchange sites. So for that reason, cryptocurrency market, it lists the major coin that is easily available, that can be found on many cryptocurrency exchange sites. So, and we are here today, and as you can see, based on what we have here in cryptocurrency capitalization, so I would just want to do some analysis before I will show you the coins that you need to buy now. So you can see that Bitcoin is now in 44,820. So in recent time, we are experiencing a slight bull run. What do I mean by bull run? Bull run means a period whereby cryptocurrency assets, they increase in their prices. So Bitcoin, you can see it's increased in it is now 44,820, unlike the time when it was around 30,000 up, like 2 weeks ago. So we are experiencing a slight bull run now, and Ethereum is now in the second position rather, and the price now is 3,025, while Binance is in the number 3 and the price is now 4 and 5. In like 2 weeks ago, Binance is still around $320, but as you can see now, it rose by 8.74% in the last 7 days, and now the price is $405. And so the list are numerous for me to be counting. So now the first coin that I would like you to buy is Dogecoin. It is Dogecoin. You can see it rose by 17.23% in the last 7 days. So if you invest $100 on this in the last 7 days, so by this time you are making $17.15, and the last 24 hours you can see that it fell by $6.38, around 4 to 5 hours ago. This coin, let me say like 10 hours ago, this coin was around 33 cents, but we have a slight reduction in price due to the market volatility. So the price is now in 30 cents above. But I want you to buy this coin, though the price is very cheap, as you can see, just 30 cents, and you can buy as much as possible depending on your financial capability. So it is one of the ways whereby you can make money in the long term. So if you are not an expert, it may be difficult for you to trade cryptocurrency, but having a substantive cryptocurrency that have a high prospect of increasing the price in the nearest future is what you can explore and invest your money in, for you to have enough for you to make money online. So you can buy this coin and keep it in a very secure place. Make sure that your login details of your password or your password of your exchange site, that where you buy this, is very secured and safe, or the real wallets that you are keeping your crypto assets, make sure they are very secured and safe. So just go ahead and buy this Dogecoin now, and don't bother about any reduction in price. That is the nature of cryptocurrency. Volatility is their nature. They increase and they decrease in price, but in the long run, I am very sure that you are going to make something big out of this. So don't panic whenever you see that the price is falling. It should be an opportunity for you to even buy more. All right, so let's check the other coin that I would like you to buy. Okay, so here this is the coin. It is now in number 41. As you can see, the price is very small, 0.00000. It's like 5 zeros before we have a digit here. So this is Shiba Inu coin. It is very small in price. The price is very cheap, very cheap. I mean it. You can see the number of zeros that it has, and it rose by 6.6% in the last 7 days, and it has fallen by 11.575 in the last 24 hours. So this should be an opportunity to buy more of this particular cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu, not because the price is small, but because it is gaining acceptability on daily basis. For a coin to be in the first 50 on CoinMarketCap, it is not an easy task, my dear viewer. So you just need to get this coin and buy as much as possible. You can see that with just $10, you are going to have more than 1 million coin of this. You will surely have more than 1 million of this particular cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu. So this is an opportunity for you. I don't want this video to be very lengthy, so I just want to give you the coin that you are going to buy tonight, or that you are going to buy today, and make something out for yourself in the nearest future. And don't say that you want to buy and maybe you experience a very deep fall in price, then that will now cause panic. No, don't do that. And mind you, this video is for financial education. Don't just take it as an education, as an educative just take it as an educative content. So just make sure that you are buying what you would have a panic on, because the price can fall. That is the nature of cryptocurrency. You can experience a deep fall in price, but trust me, provided the coin is still in market and provided it can be liquefied anytime, so the price will surely bounce back and you are going to be in profit. But the moment you sold your price in loss, that means you have already considered the defeat. So you just need to hold on. You need to hold on, though it may not be immediate, it may last for some month period, but it will surely come back to its normal price, and you're going to experience a lot of profit on it. So these are the two coins that I wanted to buy today, Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that and share this video with your friends and family. So till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.